You've got mail.
Alright, well, we didn't have any mail last week, but I do today. Got 3 packages in today. And the first one, I don't know who it's from, but it's got some picture of some woman. Looks like she's wearing a crown on the stamps here. And it says by airmail par avion, Royal Mail. So let's see. This probably comes from across the pond. So let's see what we got here. Ha ha. Well, there's no note, there's no nothing, but I know exactly who this is from. Let me show you these right here. I got this set up. Look at that. What? Let me turn it the right way. There you go. I got 2. Not 1, but 2 Hawk 3D Proto stickers. Fantastic. Thank you, Hawk, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for the stickers, man. If I had a return address, which I don't, somebody might have got some back. So send me your address as soon as you see this video, and I'll send you some of my stickers. Thank you very much, Hawk. All right, so what's next? What's next here? This says from, this is from Mr. Carl Brown. So we're going to keep this address to ourselves. See if I can. What the heck? Man, he had a perfect box. I can't even get it out. Lord of mercy. Y'all see what that is right there? And I guarantee you that is one roll of nightshade right there. That's friggin' awesome, Carl Brown. Hold on just a second now. Hold on just a second now. I have a self-addressed stamped envelope. So that means that Mr. Carl, let me find it. Let me find my box because I ain't found them yet. Where they at? That's them right there. Mr. Brown is going to get not 1. Hold on, dadgum, I can't even get them out. Here we go. Not 1, but 2 stickers. Actually, may get a couple more because I got some old ones over there I don't really care about. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the envelope right here. That can go in mail tomorrow. So we got that. Now, there's a letter. There's a letter. All right, hold on. Hold on. But before we get to the letter, let me turn this over right here. It's stuck. It's stuck in the bottom. Now, this is a box. I know y'all saw the box there. I don't believe that it is what it's pretending to be. No, it's not. Let me see what this says. Well, yes it is. I don't believe it's a full one, but it is not. It's in a Ziploc. But it is some Polyalchemy Elixir Natural. That's friggin' cool right there. Thank you very much, Carl Brown. Now let's get to his letter, shall we? Let's get to his letter. Let me lay this right down here. That's garbage. Let me put this over here out of the way. All right, let's read his letter. Hi, Walter. That's me. Kuntry 3D, that's me. Thanks for all your support. As promised, enclosed is a roll of Polyalchemy Nightshade, as well as a partial roll of Natural. I needed to fill space in the box. Make sure you print your wife a new rose first. LOL. Sincerely, Carl, Knack 3D Designs. P.S. I enclosed an envelope. I need a sticker for my wall. You are going to have a sticker, my friend. Let's lay that letter right up there. So, I've got this right here. It's already ready. Stamped envelope. It's already addressed. All I got to do is write right up here. Don't return to sender. Alright, we got one more. And I know what these are. They were ordered off of Amazon, off my wish list, I believe. I believe that's what this is. This may not be anything. This is from Invert Ivern-Tech, however you want to say it, from Bay Edge or Bay Lake Trail, Las Vegas. Let's see what we got here. It is exactly what I thought. I'm gonna move the box back over to the table, and I'll pull it out from back there, back here, I should say. Slide that here, slide that here, and there is gift receipts in here. And I couldn't remember who said it. There's a receipt there. All right, here we go. Hi, Walter. Well, Walter, enjoy this with a little monster. I guess I've told you before, thanks for being there and being online. It's nice to chat with you. I hope sometime we can get started on the big printer soon. And this, it didn't put a name. Still didn't put a dadgum name. Let's open them up. Let's look at one of them. I would like to see one. They are well packaged in their own box, wrapped in bubble wrap individually. Looks like it is wrapped really well. It's in a bag. It's not even actually wrapped. Wait. Okay. Yeah, it's inside a bag. And then it is inside a plastic sleeve, which I'm going to slice open, that I can feel. I can already feel the outside of the package. I can feel the grease on the outside of the package. So they are well lubricated, so I will be putting them back in here. But let's see if we can get this rail out of here. Oh. Do you hear that? Here. Yes, sir. Now, I do want to say that it looks pretty dadgum flat to me. Let me lay it on my table right here and see. Alright guys, that was another episode of Mail Thing Thursday. I'm probably blowing you out with the microphone. I do want to say that I did cut out quite a bit of the linear rails. And just because I was babbling on and on, I went and measured and spent 10 minutes talking about nothing. So I cut it all out. But I would like to thank David Olson for the linear rails, even though they are too short, which I found out by all the stuff. I would like to thank Hawk 3D Proto for the stickers, and I would like to thank Carl for the filament. And guys, y'all are great. It's all there is to it. You're fantastic. Kuntry Klub just rocks on, man. Hey, y'all have a great day, and we'll see you. Oh, it's Memorial Day weekend. That's right. Want to tell you, I'm sorry that I'm not here tonight for live streaming. My daughter had a function, and I will not see you Saturday morning. Maybe we might do a live stream on the drive. I don't know. We're going out of town. Sunday, there will be no live stream for Fun in the Country Basement. So the next time I will see you will be Monday. So hope y'all all have a safe Labor Day weekend, not Memorial Day. My wife's going to kill me. Labor Day weekend. And for you guys across the pond, y'all just have a great time, and I'll see y'all on Monday. Thank you again. Later.